Hello everyone, I'm here in my latest little farmstead in the IG base and I give you a little tour. Sadly the homestead got a bit glitched, so normally there was a wall all the way connecting this to keep it separate, but yeah, it is how it is. I'm gonna just keep it like this. And we have a little chicken den here, a little stable to put off horses, the airlock for, yeah, so they don't escape, but I made it a bit bigger so some chickens are glitched. This one doesn't want to go, but yeah, if there were more chickens I would catch more chickens and make a nice big pile of them, but there were not so many chickens this time, and yeah, had other things to do in the game. So here we have the farm with the IG logo and some horses. The donkeys eventually died because, yeah, we didn't really need them, and the feed was like, yeah, we were done. We have all the weapons we need, to have all the tools we need, so there's no point. So let's close the gate just for the looks. We have a few fires burning for coziness in here. There's my little farmhouse, stacked the table full with foods. We got egg tarts, plain omelettes, breads, boiled cabbage, bloodberry bars, pemmican, lost bread, boiled eggs, and small roasted game. I tried to get everything, but we can't fish, and there's barely any more deer left, so it's really hard to find them. So I just gave up on it basically. And yeah, like lots of weapons and gear to play around with on my bed. Some arrows to shoot, some armor sets, just cozy little house. What more do you need? So let's go continue. This is my tree, the wishing tree where I wish for a good harvest. So here I just run in circles, and then it like helps speeding up with the crops. It's yeah, it's something I discovered. So yeah, let's go. So here we have the parking, the IG parking. Here we do like meetings with our cars and our carriages, like harvest festivals. We all gather here and like show our horses. It's really cool. And yeah, here the smith gets everything ready, stacks it in the cars. Let's see what the smith has prepared for us today. Oh, and some reinforcement supplies. Oh, we got lots of goodies. Yeah, we're ready for a battle. What do we have here? Oh, swords, Caligans, what? Yeah, that's 10 of each, guys. Sick. So let's go. Got a nice little forge set up here. Little, actually pretty big. Now this were where the donkeys were, but yeah, we didn't need them. Everybody already left. Got these nice stacks. Look at the shine. So here's our forge. I should actually kept them alive, the donkeys, so I could show how it looks like. But yeah, normally these hammers trip, but I guess most of you saw the movies already. So this is our forge, fully automatic with donkeys. And then we had here also a little house for the smith to hang the weapons. Some people already helped themselves. This was nicely stacked before, but yeah, it's all free for everyone at the moment. So take what you need. Got some extras here. Blacksmith. Look, up I did a donation. Up again. Here we go. Do we have something here actually? A battle. A nice battle. Beautiful. So yeah, our smith got everything they need to yeah, check how much. Oh, this is dung. Ah yeah, because we had too much. Let's Nah, we can leave it here. We're well ready to do lots of farming. Yeah. So let's go further. Here we got our stone set up. So they come in, drop it off, get it chopped, and then we grab it from here. A few tents for if we need them, but yeah, we can always build more. Yeah, the game was bugged, so we were not able to build fortresses anymore and no water, so eventually we just gave up. The idea was to have towers and a nice barracks, but yeah, this is just how it is in the game. But it would be still pretty. We have enough bows and arrows to shoot, and this is end game when everything got already plundered, so we're doing pretty good. Let's go a bit further. We need more members. We need more foot soldiers. We know what we're doing. We know how to make swords. We know the mechanics. We know how to cook everything basically. It is our reinforcement supply hut. But yeah, we could use some more helpers. So if anybody feels like has access to the game, first of all, pre-alpha game is not actually finished or out yet. But feels like joining a team that works together as a team and yeah, teamwork, cooperation. I like to have fun. Just join Ironguard. Because yeah, this can be we can fill it up with scorpions and like more defenses, but we just need more manpower to chop trees, to mine for stone, for iron, for coal, for clay, to drive the carts around. I really could use some help at the farm, watering crops and collecting seeds and berries, and so feel free to join. So yeah, by the way, this is the barracks. To save on taxes and on upkeep, we try to squidge it in, and here we have the mill as well. I moved it out to have a bit more space there to cook. So let's drop this here. And this is basically the tour. And I'm gonna call it a day because I've been playing too long. So thank everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little tour of my little farm. This was bugged, or otherwise there would be a few more ovens, a few more fire pits, and a nice little wall and gate. But it is how it is. Thank you for watching. Jesus Christ. this.